Pogi oh, tangki tulong ito oh. Please. Ginaw, please. Ginaw tulong. Dapat.
Tara, alas 4 na, roll out na tayo.
My friend.
Roll tayo. Balita.
How are you?
How are you? Good. Ay ba?
Good. Asking.
First time mag-ride dito dalawang to. First time.
Long time.
Alalayan nyo to ha. Ito, alalayan nyo. First time mag-ride
How are you?
to.
Good?
Sila sa dalawa na to?
How are you ba? Diba ay?
Buti nakalabas kayo tol. Bro, yung t-shirt daw niya. Ay ano?
Oo, natin sa akin.
Ano kaya mag-t-shirt yung init ng kalo? Amer, i-bring.
Oh, finally. My chair?
Yeah.
Baka wala lang nakalabas sa ano.
Serious?
Kahit na t-shirt, di pa rin kaya eh. Basta huwag lang nalabas yung ano mo. Nakabutis naman ako dito. Basta naka-long socks ka lang. Pag hindi ka naka-long socks.
Now I'm jealous.
Sunugan talaga ako ng maan. Bakit? Mainit? Init? Kaya yung alam ko kasi yung ulam mo talaga. Wala nang nagkaroon ako nito. Hindi na ako nag-ano. Ang sak ko lagi nandito. Lagi mag-long socks ka lang talaga. Long socks lang. Eh guys, lalo to. Buti nga sa inyo may pairing. Sa amin dito yung singaw. Dito lang to. Iba yun yung kay ano? Kay Ray lang.
Kape na lang tayo.
Magkape na lang tayo, tapos uwian na.
Umiinit na rin yung motor.
Pag-ride na eh. Uwian na yung motor eh.
Excellent.
Now I'm fucking skabal. Next time, ay.
Amiri ang puta.
Oh, next time I'll put it.
Ano total prank?
Kailangan ko ano, ayabang na tumawag
Kasi
sa
bike.
akin, hindi na daw siya
Oh, nice.
matutulog.
Like them do.
So,
Gagaling natin sa ilalim ng sa tulay.
so usually
ilalim.
we like it
Tapos
Japanese bike.
tapos punta tayo
For
doon
us,
sa tulay natin.
reliability.
Tingnan natin.
In the Philippines,
Tapos doon.
this model,
لازم واحد فيهم يظبط لي سكة.
Oo, punta tayo doon sa week.
you wearing jacket?
No. Yes, he told me والله.
If you don't have, I will print one for you with me.
Allah, he told me. I don't know.
No one.
Oo.
Do you know what? It's called Scam Rider. And next time I will bring special socks for everyone.
What?
Socks for everyone. Since I have
By
a
the way,
business.
he's already have a business.
Yes.
He's selling special socks like you can put your logo on
It's
things.
like, like this
Customize,
one.
like
Yes.
Yes.
I will put Scam Rider so we can wear it all.
Ah, okay, good.
Just tell me how many pieces we have. Where is it going?
Another. There's another group.
You have Instagram?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, خلاص follow it. Why?
عايز يعطيك ستيكر لسه بيجي جيريكو
For the business?
Yeah, for your business support.
بريس
Thank you so much.
So we have a website now.